I'll just start very simple like this. And this is just kind of basically scan all of the open TCP ports. It's going to probe the host as if it doesn't care whether it responds to an ICMP ping request or not. This is just to ensure that it's more likely to actually see this host as alive, right? But then it's not a bad idea to run this. That's the TLDR. We want to see the verbose mode so we can see the ports as it scans it. That's just so that instantly we can see, open this, boom. We know that there's a website here, right? And we're going to save time. So that's the main reason why that's pretty nice. We can also see that this is a domain controller because port 88 is open. And that is what? That is Kerberos, right? So 139, SMB, both of these are SMB. This is a website. This is also a website, right? 443, that's HTTPS. 3389, that's RDP. So we definitely know that this is a Windows machine. And we know that it's a domain controller, right? So immediately we know that this is LDAP. So all of this is very good to know. So yeah, basically, this is a standalone Active Directory machine. It seems like a Windows host, of course, and it has a website open. And that's immediately what I'm thinking, okay? I'm not really thinking of anything else, but that is decently interesting. Perfect, so I've made a file called nmap, like so. And let's say, so the first thing that I would like to do now is a few things. So we can do netexec SMB, like so. And we can see the domain is just called thm.local, okay? So that's fine. I doubt that's going to be relevant for this host, but we might as well add it to Etsy hosts. That is fine. So thm.local, like so. Perfect. And then, let's see. All right. And we can see what we can explore off of just this, okay? So we don't have any credentials. Obviously, I help people pass the OSCP with my course and all the resources, but on the OSCP itself, you will actually start with credentials. This is a standalone machine, right? An Active Directory machine. On Active Directory or on the OSCP exam, it's going to be a network, okay? It's going to be one domain controller and going to be two clients, essentially, right? All in one Active Directory chain or set. But this is not. And you're also giving credentials. Here, we are not, right? We don't have any username and password that we started with. So we can see and we can try to find out some usernames or at least try to enumerate and see what we can find. So what I like to do is that I like checking with a null account and a guest account over SMB and LDAP and pretty much anywhere that I can. I also want to try, before I continue, let me do the same over LDAP. Okay, I'm not sure why it hangs, to be honest. Host himself, let's try it again. Perfect, beautiful, see? That's why we want to check all of that. And now just for fun, just to be thorough, can we do it like that without the guest account? We can, all right. And just for fun as well, let me try read root as well. So this is the way to find usernames, right? So all of this we didn't have access to before, and we can utilize this information in terms of attacks like ASIP roasting, because you don't need a password to perform that. You just need usernames in Active Directory. We can also try password spraying, although this is one of the absolute last things that I like to check, especially if I don't have any passwords, like, you know, just blindly doing spraying. Let me try read root as well. And yeah, this is also boring. So they don't have great protection against being able to do that. But that's okay. Okay, perfect. So then let's actually go and parse this data so we can get only the usernames, okay? So we can go back to my notes, very convenient. And then we can pretty much just copy paste this one-liner that I made before. Whoops. Let me just parse that real quick. There we go. And if you find this video useful, then you're absolutely gonna love this. We have a massive, free-to-try, 25-hour plus OSCP course that you can see that people are just absolutely loving. That inside gives you all of the resources that you need to crush the OSCP. We have a massive roadmap that literally covers everything. We cover initial access, privilege escalation, Windows and Linux. We cover Active Directory. We cover post-exploitation. We cover lateral movement. We cover pivoting, tunneling. We cover the exam. We cover the reporting. We cover all of the attacks that you need and all of the techniques that you need for OSCP. We also cover all the rooms that you need to do and all of the rooms is linked inside. We cover Active Directory chains as well. And we literally cover everything. And you will instantly get all of these resources once you join. So click the link down below, try it completely for free. I'll see you inside.